We all know these paths can lead to success, but which one truly packs the most punch? An internship gives you hands-on experience, a certification proves your skills in a specific area, and a degree offers broad knowledge across many subjects. Each has its unique value.
73% of employers prefer candidates with relevant internship experience. This shows how valuable real-world practice can be.
On average, certification holders earn $50,000, while degree holders can make around $60,000. But the gap narrows with relevant experience. Internships provide experience, certifications prove specific skills, and degrees offer versatile knowledge. Together, they create a strong foundation. Did you know? 99.9% of jobs only require a certification for specific skills. A degree often adds versatility. The best path? Combining an internship, certification, and degree. This gives you the best of all worlds.
Choose the path that suits your goals best. Subscribe for more career tips.